Stelson! Sorry, pervs.
I want to hear those balls go crunch! Help me!
Oh yeah, there's the spot.
High drama at the Pacific Science Center today as an unidentified man scaled Seattle's iconic Space Needle and attached an enormous banner to its spire. And while the meaning of the flag symbol and the identity of the banner man both remain mysteries, what is clear is that Seattle's bioterrorist population...
Banner man. Pretty lame, right?
Next time, just say move.
Nelson, sorry man, I got hung up. But I found out there's this bioterrorist maniac.
Yeah, I just heard. And can we please not use the B word?
What? Bioterrorist?
Yeah, you know, that's just a slur invented by the DUP to make people scared of conduits, man.
Look, whatever you want to call him, let's just track him down. Find out what he can tell us about Augustine.
And drain his powers.
Okay, fine. And drain his powers.
I'm telling you, it's gonna work.
Alright, they just found a body in Vincent Briar. Go check it out. But promise me you'll be inconspicuous? Yeah. Listen, Delson, it's gonna be police officers at this crime scene, okay? Not DUPs. Now, I'm here to support you, but killing cops...
I got it. I'll put my phasers on stun.
I told you to sneak around him!
They started it!
You wonder why people hate bioterrorists?
People hate conduits because they've been trained to.
Or maybe it's because they kill people.
And maybe that's because sometimes they're given no other choice. Well, found the victim. Definitely the work of a conduit. It's very showy.
Okay, I need you to take a couple pictures of the crime scene and send them to me. Anything that might give us a lead.
There's your wounds. What kind of power did this? Fire blast or lasers. Ooh, what about flesh-eating death gaze? I wouldn't mind absorbing a little flesh-eating death gaze, right?
Delson, even if the guy who did this is a prime conduit, we still don't know if this power transfer thing's even gonna work.
Well, you know what? If it does, my first victim is gonna be the guy who came up with the name Bannerman.
Bro, you really need to let that go.
Okay, I'm sending you the picture, but I think he blinked. Reg, I'm hearing sirens, man.
Yeah, let me check real quick. Yeah, the DUP's just cordoned off the area. I've warned the Seattle PD to stay away.
Has to be the conduit. I'll check it out.
Huh. Sound like you went the steer clear route.
Not my style.
Chances are there's going to be a lot of DUP there. DUP with shoot-to-kill orders.
Wow. Well, hate to interrupt this little pep talk, but you got any luck with that first victim on your face database thing?
No, nothing. The victim must not have had a record.
From the looks of the guy, I at least would have expected a drug bust or two. Jeez, you were right. The place is crawling with dupes.
They really want to catch this guy. Now, their reputation's on the line here.
Yeah, well, so is mine. Better than ice cream.
We have visual on... He's line of sight!
No, it's get the conduit! Jeez! And good luck with that.
Well, this conduit sure got a certain style. Kind of nouveau sick.
Okay, I just need...
Let me guess, face and wounds.
If it's not too much trouble.
Alright, there you go. Stand by for wounds.
No need. I got a hit on the face. Guy's a drug dealer. Rap sheet's a mile long. Look around for his stash. Might give us a clue why the sniper chose him.
Holy...
What holy? Delson, are you okay?
Yeah, found our sniper, going after him.
Be careful!
Real original advice.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm one of you. I mean, one of us. Would you slow down? I'm not gonna hurt you. Especially if you don't slow down. Stop! Come back! Nice meeting you.
You get him?
No, he ran fast, like really, really fast. Conduit fast, man. Screw flesh-eating dead gaze. I want that.
Don't be greedy.
Funny thing, man. Just before every shot, you could see the neon sign behind him dim a little.
Must be a power source. Then head back to the sign, see what you can find.
You should see what this guy can do, man. Like lasers or something. I'm telling you, it would be great to have a 1-2 punch like that and smoke when I get to Augustine.
Take it easy. We've got to find him again first.
Well, one thing this place tells us is that our sniper is a sniperette.
Wait, what?
You should see this, Reg. It's like the girliest sniper's nest you've ever seen.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. It's just girled up. Girl stuff. Like the name Brent burned into the wall in girly handwriting. And it is definitely the best smelling assassin's den you could ever be in.
Okay. Look, just send me photos of anything you think might help. Okay, those definitely, very likely belong to a woman.
Like you know.
Seriously? A serial killer who reached Jane Eyre?
Oh, totally. Jane Eyre is like the female Catcher in the Rye.
Okay, I can see how you might think those are women's shoes.
Yeah, they're like size negative.
I wonder who Brent is.
I can't help you there.
So, anything else interesting?
Relax, I'm looking. I guess this counts as interesting.
That's interesting, all right. You know, it's a long shot, but maybe if I run this through the database, cross-referencing the name Brent, I'll get lucky.
You know, if I had smoke and lasers, I could, like, put on light shows in our living room.
Oh, that'd be putting your powers to good use.
Hey, Reg, I was just thinking about these bras.
Well, stop, okay? There.
Okay, I'm thinking when I get to Augustine, it's gonna be like, boom, smoke, and then once I got on the ropes, it's like, zap, zap, I'll whip out the laser show.
Well, it's good to have a plan. Hey, I got a hit on the photo. Name's Brent Walker. One arrest 2 years ago for minor drug possession. Get this, found dead 2 months later in an alley. Cause of death? A single puncture wound of unknown origin through the chest. I'm sending you the address now.
Yeah, our girl's definitely got a thing against drug dealers.
Sure seems like it.
It's weird though, man. If she's just killing drug dealers, then why do the news reports make it sound like she's picking off random victims like it could be anybody?
Yeah?
Well, you'd think the DUP would want people to know the killings weren't random. That if you're not a drug dealer, you're not in danger. That'd sure bring the panic level down.
So you're saying what? The DUP is trying to scare people? I mean, their job is to control the panic.
Alright, I'm at the alley, but there's a bunch of heavily armed dudes here. Looks like a drug deal's going down.
I hate to go all cop on you, but it is the duty of every citizen to step up when they witness a crime in progress.
So now you do want me killing people with my powers?
I didn't say kill them, just rough them up. Scare them. Destroy their stash. Delson, I heard shots. Did you kill them?
Hey, I was trying to do my duty as a citizen, man, but they were trying to do their duty as Damn it, the gate in front of the alley's locked.
Well, that didn't stop you back at the cannery.
Reg, you should see this, man. Speedy Gone Crazy is a tagger. She's a pretty damn good one, too.
Yeah, well, don't forget she's a murderer, right?
You gotta admit,
Pretty damn
girl makes a
good
mean
one, too.
vortex. You really shouldn't leave lit candles unattended. She sets a lovely altar. It's actually kind of touching.
Yeah, well, there's good touching and bad touching.
And now we come to the highlight of the tour.
Okay, that is full bore crazy.
Okay, so the girl stops off for takeout, comes here to sit with Neon Brent to tell him all about her day, while she chowders down.
You know, Olaf's has a location on Alaskan Way. He's supposed to have one of the biggest neon signs in the city.
Hey, if I had neon powers and a Chowder Jones, that's where I'd hang. I am on my way.
competition to get drugs off the streets?
This is still a free country, Delson.
Oh, Reg. Didn't know you were there. Did I just butt dial you?
People have a right to speak their mind without being attacked.
It was self-defense, man. They had signs and pamphlets.
You know, on second thought, you would be a hell of a lot less conspicuous staked out near the restaurant's neon sign, alright? Be sure to reload off of it, and you wouldn't give yourself away by picking stupid fights on the sidewalk.
They started it.
Just go.
Okay, good a place to hide.
Okay, this is good. Surveillance. Hobo style.
Oh man, that smells good. Why didn't I take some cash off those dealers? Money, why do you hate me? Be my friend, Money. Come to me. Let's bond. No!
It's okay. God. Not this again. Just like last time, Delson. Concentrate. Oh, no. You're not getting away. I got this now.
Just leave me alone!
You can run up walls? You have got to be kidding me.
They all deserved it! I just need a few more days! I gotta finish what I came to do! I am not going back to Curtin K!
She's too fast. No! Dude, God, lady, you've got to calm down, all right? Just relax.
You're not taking
Just
me
wanna-
back! I am not going back
That
to
was
Curtin
awesome.
K!
Good news is, less juice for her. Bad news, I'm not a night person.
GOP bastard!
Well,
maybe stop trying to kill me, and we can let the beer signs live to see another day.
I am not going back to Curtin K!
Hey, that really moved. Good news is, less juice for her. Bad news, I'm not a night person.
GOP bastard!
Well, maybe stop trying to kill me, and we can let the beer signs live to see another day.
I am not going back!
Doesn't even tickle.
Not weak anymore. Not anymore.
You listen to me, I'm not with Augustine!
You're one of a goddamn robots.
How many times? Wait, are there really robots? I just want some of your powers, that's all.
Just leave me alone! I am not going back to Curtin K!
Good news is, less juice for her. Bad news, I'm not a night person.
GOP bastard!
Well, maybe stop trying to kill me, and we can let the beer signs live to see another day.
I am not going back! I'm not weak anymore. Not anymore.
Never get tired of that. You listen to me, I'm not with Augustine!
You're one of a goddamn robots.
How many times? Wait, are there really robots? I just want some of your powers, that's all.
Just leave me alone!
superpowers. I know you're in there.
Oh, I am so gonna use this!
Stop it! Just leave me alone! No!
You can run, but you can't hide. Where the hell are you?
Clever girl.
No, no, no! As a little girl, I never thought it'd be me. That I'd be one of them. My powers were a surprise. My parents turned me in. They knew what the government would do to people like me, and they did it anyway. I didn't know what to do, but my brother Brent just grabbed our coats, and we ran. Those were hard days on the street. Moving from city to city, no comfort anywhere. Until we met some dealers, and man, they hooked us up. The drugs were heaven. But then we always wanted more. And withdrawal, agony. Always looking for a fix. And when you lose your stash, when you think someone stole it from you, the drugs, the dealers, they make you do things Oh God, Brent. The government picked me up easy enough after that. But it wasn't a regular jail. They trained me to shoot, taught me how to kill. So on the day of the crash, I escaped with all those skills. Everything I needed to set things right. Brent, I promise, every dealer I find, I'm gonna burn your name in their chest. No one else is gonna suffer like we did. No brother. Nobody else.
Hey, Delson, you all right, brother? What happened? Gosh, you did good. You did good, buddy. Come on, get up, get up. Oh, whoa. Hey, you did good. I know just where to put filth like this. Somewhere where Augustine won't find her, and she won't be hurting anybody else.
Hey, no. She's just killing drug dealers, man.
Killing? Delson,
murdering drug dealers.
What do you think I'm doing to the DUP?
What you have to save the Akomish back home.
She stays free.
No. Dude, no way. Look, just because you have the same affliction, not gift, affliction, doesn't mean that we're gonna pick up every little piece of trash we find. Look, I'm never going to abandon you, all right? Not ever. This one goes in a cage. Hey!
When it comes to conduits, it's my call. Not yours, not ours, mine.
Oh, really? So Mr. Freewheeling Badass finally wants to take on some responsibility. And for what, huh? A bioterrorist with a body count?
I love you, Reg. Don't make me break that handsome nose of yours.
Why? If she kills someone's father tomorrow, or mother the day after that, you're the one that allowed that to happen.
Calm down.
Yeah. Let's talk.
Yeah.
All right, Reg, sorry.
Oh, look who it is. What, is the meeting of the Conduit Club finally over?
I just wanted to talk to her, okay? To see if maybe she could help us out. Oh, you are not doing the pouting Reggie thing, are you? You know I hate that.
You know someone like
What?
that shouldn't be
I
free to roam the
lost
streets.
smoke? Are you forgetting who else is someone like that?
Not the same, you're different.
Yes, I know. I'm your brother. And your brother is asking for your help and trying to stay alive. If you won't do it for me, then do it for the tribe.
Fine, what do you need?
Thank you. I need to see what else this new power can do, and you are my go-to guy when it comes to finding the core relays.
There, I sent it. For the tribe and you.
Thank you. I'll let you know what I get.
No, I don't want to know what you get.
Bye, pouting Reggie. Hey, Fetch, you know those glowing boxes the dupes put up all over town?
Yeah, I've seen them. I think they can track us with them.
Well, I think I figured out a way to use them to, like, tap into more powers for me. I was gonna try it out on the new neon power you gave me.
Gave you?
And I thought maybe you'd like to tag along, you know, maybe talk me through the new stuff.
I already bagged my dealer limit for the day, so why the hell not?
And there's my sweet girl.
Screw you.
Okay, there's supposed to be one of those things at 2nd and Main.
Yeah, I've seen it before. Meet you there.
Hey, Fetch, it's over here.
I'm cool. Conduit trackers and me don't get along.
Well,
You're on your own, Key.
hey, you guys seen a girl kind of short? No mercy. Shoot to kill.
Hey, I heard gunfire. Told you those things can track you.
No, I think they were just on patrol.
Well, I found another one. I left you signs to find it. You see it? It's a neon marker.
Yeah, got it.
Just follow those.
Fetch, I know you've just been taking out drug dealers.
Dealers screwed up my life. Made me do things. They're drugs.
I get it, I remember, but shouldn't you be more pissed at your parents? And all people like them who treat conduits like freaks? They're the ones who drove you to the dealers in the first place.
You mean people like those frickin' Lifeline activists?
Exactly. See, they're the ones calling for your head. They're outing you, putting a target on your back. They're the ones who really need to be silenced.
No, I'm only killing dealers. I'm saving people from drugs. Even idiots got a right to speak their minds. It's in the amendment.
Top off the tank. Yes.
Yeah, take that, you poison peddling garbage! It's what you deserve! Hey, Smokes, you want in on this? Dude, you okay?
Yeah, you still need help?
Don't need it, but I'll take it. You got this. I'll go find another one of those things. Okay, I think I got the next one. Just keep following the markers. So, how'd you like killing those dealers? It's a fuzzy jolt, ain't it?
Yeah, but I mean, as long as we're on a roll, we should take it to the real assholes.
You still hung up on the activists?
I'm just saying, shutting them up for good would be the ultimate fuzzy jolt.
Yeah, whatever. Just go get you some more powers.